What we're going to do here today is I'm going to show you all how to make a proper glue joint. Simple, basic procedure. However, if not done right, it can cause leaks. So what we do here is we have glue and primer. Primer is a cleaner, of course glue is glue. And we're going to clean the inside. Now note that the primer is purple. Purple color is to let the inspectors know that you used primer on it. So you want the primer to extend just a little bit past where your makeup is going to be. And primer. Nice coat on it. Clean all the way around. Now you don't want air bubbles in it or dirt, because those will create leaks. And everything the primer does is it actually kind of melts the pipe just a little bit. I'm going to take the glue the inside of the fitting, and make sure you use plenty of glue always. And glue the melt part. Stick it together and turn. You're going to do a 45-degree turn at least. What turning the pipe does is any air bubbles that are in it pushes them up at the surface, and the primer actually melts the PVC a little bit and interacts with the glue to actually make a weld, and that's a clean joint and the proper way to